Good morning to all. We're Fab4 Consulting Group and we decided to take the challenge on Solid Bank because even if none of us has a real bank expertise, we think that our varied experience can innovate a pretty rigid sector like the banking one. We all know what Solid Bank is today. It's a reliable bank for all customers who want to keep their money safe. It has a strong brand image, but on the other hand, it is very traditional. And we all know that if we want to survive in a competitive environment, we need to change. Let's have a look on a German bank environment today. The market is quite concentrated with few banks competing on the ground. Approaching banks in Germany is stressful, and consumers demand for small solutions accessible easily via web or app. N26 is the more innovative bank, offering services like Grid Mobile app with many smart functionalities. On the other hand, they are quite young, so they can praise tradition, brand power, and trust, like Solid Bank does. Then, the new goal of Solid Bank will be reaching the millennials and helping them redefining financial success. Be their trustful partner and their financial advisor when they decide to invest will allow to grow market share. How? By being customer-centric, digital, and mobile first. To reach effectively our target, we have mapped each micro moments of the customer journey. In the C stage, consumers will main search for information to keep their salary safe. In the think stage, they will also consider to manage their funds in an easy and accessible way. In the do stage, they can also be ready to make some investments. And in the last stage, the care one, they have already done some investments and they're willing to share their experience. Based on these assumptions, we propose a new brand mission. Solid Bank should be a trusted friend that offers simple and flexible financial products accessible from all devices matched to consumer needs. Communicating with easy and target-specific language, Solid Bank should educate people to be protagonists of their financial choices. The Maslow hierarchy helps us to describe how our offer should be composed by. Solid Bank is now able to satisfy the first two steps of the pyramid with digital solution and the stable position of the bank. They should work on the next three steps, creating educational programs, community, and working on personalization and VIP products. In order to communicate effectively all those assets, we think that our content with sweet spot should be addressed to consumers like that. We're talking your language and we can be trusted. Using our solution, you'll be protagonist of your financial choices. The next step is to create a content plan. As we want to position as a solid counselor for the millennial era, we need to create assets that are able to educate empathetically. Our tone of voice should be friendly, and we need to use simple and easy messages. How-tos, quizzes, polls, influencer, and content like this should help engage young people and meet them where they are. In this slide, you can find an example of how the content plan should work for a specific persona, engaging her in all the phases of the marketing matrix. But how to engage consumers via social? We know that 73% of mass affluent consumers are actively looking for some kind of financial solutions on social media. They are bad to manage money, but they trust influencers. So, we have picked up some of the top German influencers in different areas of millennial interest, like travel, fashion, beauty, comedy, music, and sports. When it comes to promoting the content, we think that we should create organic content for rational and emotional assets that will approach millennials inspiring their needs. Paid content will be used more in the stage for pushing special promotional offers. But why using influencer? Because millennials love to have fun and entertain. And why using social listening techniques? Because the millennials like to be heard, answer, and discuss, even with brands or about. But thinking about this market strategy is not enough if we do not change our organization from steel type to lean and agile work ethic. Here is our idea of how the organizational structure could be redesigned to meet the business goal. Regarding organization, we suggest to use a hybrid model. All business and marketing activities in the sphere of digital transformation require cooperation of all company departments. Back office and internal departments support within the organization and are responsible for education. Thank you.